kailangan sobrang bongga siya. So, okay na sa akin yung suot niya na yun.
Bongga na yun.
Yes.
Bongga
kasi sobrang ganda niya.
Sure ka na dyan.
Yes.
Hindi mo napapalitan yung sagot.
Ano ba ito? Game show? May prize ba dito?
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Naili.
For today's vlog, ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ni Jeannie Isabel Belesano representing the Philippines for the Face of Beauty International. Nakasalukuyang ginaganap sa Taiwan, and they just had the talent competition and national costume competition recently. So, yun yung ating papanoorin for today. And without any further ado, let's watch this.
Ganda talaga niya.
So I think yung gato is oration. Ano ba tawag yan?
Declamation, oration. Hindi ko alam kasi yung difference between the two, but something on that line.
Oration kasi parang, or oratory speech is like, correct me if I'm wrong, yung less drama, less actions. Ang declamation kasi yun yung
okay. Sige. Never tried it kasi.
Hope is the fire within. Hope is what sparks change. And hope is what we should do to increase love in the community. But with how the world is going, it's a sad reality that hope is becoming a scarcity. Hope is becoming a plant that's beginning to live in. But like many other things in the world, this is something we can revive, something we can restore, something we can recover. Hope is seed, like we can plant and sow. When we sow and we nourish, it could be a tree that could bear fruit that we can share with others, fruit that we can share with communities, because communities should foster hope, and hope fosters community. I know it's something that's good for everybody, but when we begin to hope, and when we begin to share hope, it makes the world a little more beautiful. And when the world is hopeful, the world is kind. And that's what makes the world beautiful. That's what makes life beautiful. And that's what truly blossoms when there is hope. Esperanza, Toyo, Kumi, Shiwa, Pag-asa.
Nakakatuwa. Like, you know, it's a talent na alam niya kung ano yung strength niya. So, kumbaga, hindi niya na ipinilit na sing and dance or whatever extravagant or parang mas pasabog na talent. It's something na parang, yeah, she knows her strength and it's so inspiring. The word na hope. And what I love most about yung naging performance niya is hindi siya gaanong gumamit ng mga highfalutin words because she knows na it can be a barrier for, you know, communicating kung ano talaga yung thoughts niya, gusto niyang ipahayag and understanding. Kumbaga yung mga words na ginamit doon sa kanyang speech is mas madali siyang intindihin at kaya mas madali kang ma-influence, ma-inspire sa mga pinagsasabi niya.
Yeah. Sa akin naman, yung talent portion na yan, they took advantage talaga na sabihin na yung speech talaga yung pinaka-important na yun talaga yung brand niya, yun talaga yung battle cry niya, or yun talaga yung advocacy niya na sa speech. One thing is that it's very moving, lalo na pag iintindihin mo kung ano yung sinasabi niya. And she's very, kung maging leader man siya, she's a charismatic leader. Kasi talagang titignan mo, tapos kita-kita
mo, iintindihin mo kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya.
Parang I'm imagining her talking to a lot of different leaders from different countries, sa UN, ganyan, or tapos sinasabi niya yung mga advocacy niya, ganyan. So, ganun ka-powerful yung scenario na nakikita ko dun sa performance.
Na maaari niyang gawin in the future, parang ganon. So, eto naman ang kanyang naging national costume performance. Diba, yung babaeng-babae, Maria Clara, na moderno. Tsaka yung kulay talaga, sobrang soft tone lang. Anong nagustuhan ko rin naman dun sa design na yon, sa national costume na yon, is she can freely move. Kasi for me personally, I'm not a fan of national costume na parang bit-bit na mga kandidata ng ating quiz na it's becoming a burden to them to carry just to show yung design. Mas gusto ko yung gano'n na they can free to move around, na i-showcase yung ganda ng kanyang national costume, yung history, and also the beautiful artistry of our Filipino designers.
So then, I feel like very bagay na bagay sa kanya talaga yung ganung mga princess, cute na mga costume or mga damit in general.
Pero wala din naman yung Disney princess.
Hindi.
Yung nagmumukha siyang princess.
Nagmumukha siyang prinsesa, diba? Yung prinsesa ng Pilipinas, parang ganun yung itsura niya. Pero, yun nga, I feel like na hindi naman niya kailangan talaga ng yung sobrang
So, saan hindi na lang siya sumali kung hindi niya kailangan?
Hindi, I mean, ito naman, hindi pa ako tapos. I mean, hindi pa ganun kabardagulan yung national costume for that competition talaga na kailangan sobrang bongga siya. So, okay na sa akin yung suot niya na yun.
Bongga na yun?
Yes.
Bongga
kasi sobrang ganda niya.
Sure ka niya dyan?
Yes.
Hindi mo napapalitan yung sagot.
Ano ba ito? Game show? May prize ba dito?
So, hey guys, thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kasi ang video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!